Did you see this? Just a devastating week along the Gulf Coast. This is drone video from New Orleans, where several communities were hit by tornadoes late Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning. Now, most of that area saw some EF1, EF2 tornadoes. This one right here, this is an EF3 tornado with winds of about 160 miles per hour. You can see the total devastation across the area. Just wiped out a path through the 9th Ward, which you might remember from Hurricane Katrina back in 2005, plus a couple of the other neighboring communities near downtown New Orleans. Let me show you what EF3 is. EF3 tornadoes are the third largest on the Fujita scale, EF5 being the largest. Winds generally sustained at 136 to 165 miles per hour. These are the big ones, 3, 4, and 5. We generally don't see these around here. However, take you back to the tornado outbreak back in 1985, where we saw several EF3, EF4, and even an EF5 tornado hit north of Pittsburgh. You might remember the tornado outbreak of October 2021. About 12 tornadoes touched down in one evening. All of those EF0, EF1, or EF2.